Ready to embark on a scrumptious adventure? Let's chow down on the best foodie cities in the USA. First stop, New York City. The Big Apple is a melting pot of flavors, from classic New York pizza that's bigger than your face to gourmet bagels that'll make your taste buds sing. Fun fact, NYC has over 24,000 restaurants, so you'll never run out of options. Next, let's head to New Orleans. Famous for its vibrant music scene and even more vibrant food, the big easy dishes out beignets that are pure sugar heaven and spicy gumbo that'll warm your soul. Did you know? New Orleans po' boys are legendary. Now, off to Los Angeles. The City of Angels is a foodie paradise with its fusion cuisine, boasting everything from authentic street tacos to sushi burritos. Fun fact, LA's food truck scene is off the charts. Last but not least, let's cruise to Chicago. The Windy City is home to deep dish pizza that's practically a cheese lover's dream and hot dogs piled high with toppings. Bet you didn't know Chicago's Italian beef sandwiches are a must-try. So what are you waiting for? Pack your appetite and explore these tasty cities.